In a crowded dorm, a recent graduate named Lena discovers a simple trick, automating tiny savings from every paycheck. She links her account to a Roundup app that transfers the difference, quietly building a modest emergency fund. When student loans loom, she uses the debt avalanche and commits to weekly budget checks. A roommate's side gig shows Lena how steady, diversified income accelerates progress without burnout. 6 months in, she has a real emergency fund, fewer subscriptions, and a clear path from paycheck to financial confidence.